Tuesday, laughing in my hoodie sleeves. I was holding all my guard up, you melted through it easily. Then the storm rolled in at midnight, thunder shaking in my chest. How can something feel like sunrise in the middle of a mess? You're fire in the rain, burning in the downpour, warmth inside the pain, glowing on a cold floor, freezing in your touch, blazing when you breathe. You're fire in the rain, you're cold and your heat to me. Coffee steaming by the window, your hands frozen in my hair, arguing about our futures, but I taste tomorrow there. Every word a little frostbite, every look a little flame. We keep dancing on the fall line, and I still call out your name. You're fire in the rain, burning in the downpour, warmth inside the pain, glowing on a cold floor, freezing in your touch, blazing when you breathe. You're fire in the rain, you're cold and your heat to me. Why do I stay when it cuts like ice? Maybe I crave how you feel too bright. If this is wrong, I don't want it right. I don't You're fire in the rain, burning in the downpour, warmth inside the pain, glowing on a cold floor, freezing in your touch, blazing when you breathe. You're fire in the rain, you're cold and your heat to me. Fire in the rain, the only kind of hurt I need, oh.